Pakistan has reportedly agreed to the IMF's conditions for the release of $1.1 billion funding as part of a bailout package that the country is seeking to come out of an economic crisis. Let's go across to Priyanshi for more.
Well, Pakistan has reportedly agreed to IMF's bailout conditions. The Finance Minister Ishaq Dar has said that we've agreed to conditions for a $1.1 billion funding. Now, he was speaking after an IMF mission left Islamabad after 10 days of talks aimed to discuss the bailout payments. Now, the Finance Minister said that the payout was delayed due to routine procedures. Remember, this payment of $1.1 billion is part of the IMF's $6.5 billion bailout package that has been stalled. This part of that bailout package has been stalled since December 2022, while the package entirely was signed in 2019. And this money is really needed for Pakistan to prevent it from defaulting on its external debt like Sri Lanka did. And Pakistan needs these funds at a time when the country is facing one of its worst economic crises since its independence. Now, how bad it is? Annual inflation is above 27% as there is shortage in the supply of food and other essentials, pushing the prices up. For reference, in India, the annual inflation currently is above 5.7%. Now, why is this shortage happening in Pakistan? The government doesn't have enough money to pay for imports of essentials. The forex reserves of the country have fallen below $3 billion and are at a 10-year low. Though that doesn't mean that the funds will be, this latest information about Pakistan agreeing to the IMF's conditions doesn't mean that the funds will be released immediately. The minister, the finance minister of Pakistan, according to reports, said that the talks with IMF would continue virtually on Monday and they will arrive at a staff level agreement. This needs to then be approved by the IMF's head office in Washington for the funds to be released. Now, Pakistan had already agreed to certain conditions of the IMF. Pakistan shifted to market-based exchange rate, lifting the government's control over the Pakistan rupee. After this, the Pakistani rupee fell to a record low. Pakistan, in fact, even hiked the diesel and petrol prices by 35 Pakistani rupees to meet the IMF's conditions. Now the government says that they will further discuss the IMF's recommendations on the energy sector as well, and they will also consider a finance bill. So these are the new recommendations that they're considering from the IMF, and they are saying that we will hike the petrol prices even further to meet the IMF's conditions. According to reports, this could take Pakistan a step further to get that part of the bailout package to help the country in the economic crisis.